Hello and welcome to Email Finder, your amazing new software that lets you find anyone's professional email address in just one click. Now in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Email Finder. Now when you actually log in, you will see a left menu, and in this menu you will see Email Finder at the top. So click on Email Finder and it will lead you to a page just like this. Now to use Email Finder, you need two things: the name of the person for which you want to find the email, and a business domain name. So maybe a company where they work, or maybe a personal domain name that they own. You can type in that domain name in this box over here. So let me show you by one example. So I'll try to find the email address for Elon Musk. Now he owns two companies, Tesla and SpaceX. I like SpaceX more, so I'll type SpaceX and click submit, and Email Finder goes out to work and quickly finds you Elon Musk's email address at SpaceX, and along with that a few social profiles. Also, it has a 100% accuracy score, which means this is tested and 100% accurate. Also, with every search you do, you will be deducted 1 credit point. So the points will be showing up on your left here, and you will have a bunch of points assigned to you when you sign up. And then as they go down, you can buy more points if you want by going to purchase credits, and then you can pay a small fee and then buy 100 or 500 more points to use and find email addresses. All right. Also, we have Email Finder Pro, which is the advanced version, and then Pro version lets you actually find hundreds of email addresses at a single domain name. So you can type in Microsoft.com, for example, and then hit submit, and it will find as many email addresses as possible at Microsoft.com. So you can actually reach out to multiple people at the same domain, and then reach out to anyone you want and talk to more people and find the right person to do business with. You can also click one button and download all these as a CSV. All right, so this is the Pro version, and if you have not bought the Pro version yet, click the button below and then upgrade your account to the Pro version. Thanks.